In this video, I will tell you about creating the multi-leader style, and up to this point we have added multi-leaders in our drawing using the default style which was a standard. Now in order to add a new multi-leader style, go to this drop down and select manage multi-leader styles. So this will open multi-leader style manager window in which you can see that we have a single standard style. Now select new and give it a name. So I'll name it as our custom style and click on continue. So this will open this modify multi-leader style window, and here we have these three tabs: the leader format, leader structure and content. And using these tabs we can modify the properties. The preview of your multi-leader will appear in this preview box. So let's start with this general panel in which we can change the type of multi-leader currently, which is set to straight. So you can change it to spline just like this, or you can even remove the leader line altogether using the none option. So now we only have the text and we don't have any leader line. So I'll change it to spline, and now we have the color option. So you can change the color to any value which you want, and we have options of line type, line weight, as we have seen in the dimension style. Also we have the arrowhead and the size of arrowhead, so you can change any of these values which you want. Now here we have this leader structure which has 2 points in this case. So you can change this to multiple points, and in this case we were required to click at the first and second point. That's why we have this 2 point. So if you add more leader points, you will be required to add multiple vertices for creating the multi-leader. Also we have an overall scale factor here which is set to 1. So you can change this scale factor to increase or decrease the size of multi-leader collectively, and it is also very similar to the overall scale which we have seen in the dimension style. So let's go to the content, and now we have the text option. So you can use it to change the properties of this text. So we have the default text which is selected here, the text style which is a standard. So we'll learn about text style in the next module, and we have the text angle and all of the remaining properties that you can obviously change. So I'll just keep these properties, and I'll change a single property which is text color. So I'll change it to red, and now I'll click on OK and click on close. Now let's make a new multi-leader. So I'll select the multi-leader, I'll click at this point, and here we have it, the multi-leader. So let's add our text. So I'll add cooling fins and click outside, and here we have the multi-leader as per the changed multi-leader style which we can see here in this list also. So if you want to toggle between this multi-leader style and the original multi-leader style, you can change it from this list. So you can select standard, and now all the multi-leaders will be made with the standard style as you can see here. So let's erase both of them. And this was all about creating multi-leader and multi-leader styles in Autocad.